Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add an overlay into your Filmora video editing. So basically first what we have to do is open Filmora and after that this window will be opened for us. So now I will go ahead and click on new project and please guys make sure that you are logged in into your Filmora account. So click here, make sure that is connected your free plan so you will not have any problems while following my tutorial. Now let's grab for example this video of mine and drag it over here. Now as you can see there is nothing weird on it, so it is normal. Now to add an opacity or like an overlay, let's go for example and import another media. Let's see for example um, an image, and let's drag this image over here. Let's make it till here, and here what we're gonna do is go to opacity. So you click on your image settings, which is gonna be in here, and then go down and search for blending mode or composition, and then from blending mode make it normal and the opacity make it low. So if we did that, as you can see, you will notice that there is some overlay in my video. So if we click, as you can see, while the video is moving, there is like some small opacity or an overlay of the background that I have added to the video on it. You can make it appear more or less, and yeah, you can play with it. You can also do that, like you can make a video over in a video and make the other video as overlay, and you can make like a song over a song and reduce it and make it as an overlay, and you can like use your imagination and surf with it. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. That's how you can actually add an overlay in Filmora. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.